Welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, iMac 19 and 2, and now I'm going to show you how to check for the updates on this device. To do that, you need to open the system settings, and then you need to find the general, and in general you need to find the software update. And here, as you can see, we have automatic updates, of course, and here you need to click on this button and click check for updates, and click done. It will check updates, or if you don't have the update right now, so you will have here the check for updates button, and by clicking on it you can find new updates if it's available, and then click just update now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.